Do you recall the catastrophe that struck the Indian Ocean in year 2004? It was tsunami. On Christmas Eve, numerous people who were enjoying their vacations on the beach were killed by tsunami. The Sumatra Peninsula in Indonesia. This calm and peaceful town still keeps the memory of the disaster from 6 years ago. This is a tsunami that brought fear and shock to the world. This tremendous catastrophe swallowed this peaceful town in a moment and took away over 400,000 lives. It was the deadliest natural disasters the world has ever seen. The Banda Aceh village, which is located at the foot of the Sumatra Peninsula. The village had been reduced to ashes then, and it took a long time to recover. Destroyed buildings were not only problem. Water pollution and poor sanitary condition caused by excessive amount of trashes were more serious. The water facilities were destroyed, and the groundwater became undrinkable due to the pollution caused by the seawater. Some residents got skin diseases after they took a bath with the groundwater.
Kalau saya keluarga 4 ya di rumah.
Satu
jadi,
hari 2 galonnya habis.
Kalau saya 2 hari 1 galon.
2 hari 1 galon. 1 galon itu harganya berapa?
Kalau saya sering aqua.
The residents used the precious groundwater for their domestic use, even though it was expensive to develop the system. Unfortunately, some families have their wells right next to their toilets. About 60% of Indonesian households use groundwater that is located within 10 meters from the septic tank. Then, can we identify what is vulnerable in this groundwater system? In order to pull out the water from the well with electric motors, tremendous amount of electricity is required. The problem of this facility is that it cannot function if the electricity is out. In a country where earthquakes and tsunami are frequent, this facility is not effective. Another obstacle of this facility is that it costs much to install and manage them. Groundwater is not the only problem they face. It is obvious that the river is seriously contaminated. The main reason for the pollution is wastewater from houses and factories. For example, on average, 60% of locals discharge wastewater without proper purifying processes. Assuming that an average family has 4 members, the total volume of wastewater that flows into the river is 240 million cubic meters. The big city like Bandung has a sewage disposal plant. However, the sewage plant is old and is exposed to the sunshine. As a result, it is covered with green and brown algae. This raw sewage flows again to the river near the residential area. It flows to the local fish farms and kills massive amounts of fish. The sewage also affected the soil, causing a grave damage to the local ecosystem. It has rained in Banda Aceh village. The rain caused flood, which in turn drowned the city. Therefore, some Korean students built facilities for collecting and using rain at the public offices and local households. These facilities for using rain will be a new infrastructure of hope in this village. The problem of polluted groundwater and surface water in Indonesia reminds us how precious water is for all human beings. We sincerely hope that all Indonesians can have clean and safe water shortly.